I always like pink sarees, pink dresses, and all that, pink robes, and all that. Just now, we had a very good rain. Our friends are coming. This is a happy, happy, happy day, my dear friends. A day full of love, light, and happiness, prosperity, wisdom, and peace. This is an Xenora. I just want to propagate my money plants. A few we have relocated. Small flowering plants we have got, and this is a pink lily and hibiscus. We have to be really careful until it becomes dry. It has become quite sunny, but we have to be very careful while walking. After the rain, we could see nice good leaves. All the plants have got nice good leaves, but we need to trim them. It is a little more bushy and all that. We need to clean it really, but everything looks so green and colorful. I don't know whether you could see the pink lilies, mango tree, lemon tree, lemons are there. Happy day, my dear friends. A day full of love, light, and happiness, prosperity, wisdom, and peace. Where is the sun? I think the sun has gone inside the clouds. These boys are here. Happy day, my dear friends.